So when you open up Illustrator, there's a few things you have to set up before you get started. So you'll have this screen here. You want to create new. So you want to create a print document typically. So I'll click print document. Now you need to title this, whatever it is, whatever project you're working on, title that. And you want to set the units here. So typically we work in inches. So I will title that inches. You can change the orientation to be landscape or portrait. Okay. From here, you want to set the width and the height. Typically, I set this to where I want to design my drawing. So if we're designing this keychain and we know the dimensions are 1.5 inches wide by 1 inch tall, I would set that, right? Maybe you're designing something that's 10 inches wide by 5 inches high. You would set that. It all depends on what you're designing for, right? The keychain or the dog tag. I don't know the exact dimensions. All are different, so you'll have to check that. But we'll assume for this example, 1.5 width, and the height is 1 inches. And then what I'll do here is click OK. Now, this will set up a little template. So within these black lines here, that's where my drawing will sit. So it already keeps the drawing to scale. Now, you'll notice when you open this up, there are no toolbars, there's no settings, so we have to load those in first. So you're going to go up on the top left-hand corner, click Window, scroll down where it says Workspace, and you're going to click Basic. So now you'll notice some toolbars on the left, toolbars on the right, and I can right-click this little arrow here to expand the dock and see some more stuff. Don't worry too much about that stuff right now. The next thing you want to open up, go to Window, and we want to click the navigator icon. And then what will happen is this little icon here will pop up, and this will allow you to zoom in or out. Now you can also do this by holding Alt on your keyboard and using the roller wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. I find that to be easier, but this also helps you navigate within the workspace. Okay, so this is creating a template and setting up your workspace, right? When you're working, remember to save constantly, right? This does not auto-save. So File, Save As, and this, you will save it as whatever it is your project is. Now, you will have to move this into Drive after you save this to the computer, but just make sure you are constantly saving your work.